how to fix Telegram enable to play video on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram enable to play video on Android phone. First, open settings and here scroll down until you find storage and then click clean up. Now just clean here some space, or you can just clean it from your gallery. Just delete some images and photos and videos, I mean. And then go to settings and then apps and apps again and click Telegram, and after that click force stop and go to storage, click clear cache, and now go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here. Don't forget storage, maybe you'll find it like that. Click allow, and that's it. After that, just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.